Hello, my friends. We are back at Dan's Custom Machining, and this is my buddy Dan. This time, we would like to talk a little bit about work holding. And in this specific situation, we're going to talk about chicks, man. Nah, just kidding. Not chicks, but chick work holding systems. Dan, can you tell me a little bit about why you chose chick and how you utilize them to the best of their capabilities?
Chicks, first I saw them at a machine open house, and that was the first time I ever even came across them. Their big advantage that I love is, for us being a job shop and low quantity parts, this vise here, the ability to open and close it just by pushing down a lever, and you can slide the whole entire back half. And then their jaws change out by just turning one screw at the top, lets you pull out the jaw, and when you put it back in, it repeats within a half a thou.
That's pretty good repeatability.
Yep.
And also, as you mentioned, being able to switch it out with a job shop, as you also mentioned, back to time savings again, right? If you can switch a job in, switch a job out, switch the jaws as necessary, this is efficient, this is effective, and Chick kind of prides themselves on being able to be an adaptable, work holding solution like that.
Yep. Yeah, they're adaptable to everything, and like I said, the big advantage is like if you cut soft jaws for being a job shop, I can cut stuff to hold round parts, and I can keep it and always put it back on, and it's always going to be accurate to hold the part flat. It's always going to be the same center point. You don't have to worry about re-picking stuff up, re-cutting a soft jaw. It's just slap it on and you're good to go.
Well, I've seen a lot of your videos online, and you make some great videos, great products. And I've seen, we see two right now, but I've seen, even more than two in some of your videos. Oftentimes, you will line them up to have larger work pieces in there, right?
Yeah. I've had as many as 4 lined up to utilize as much as I can.
Probably a good reason why you bought this larger size Herco machine as well.
Yep. Yeah, it lets you cram as many on there.
And switching these in and out, these chick vices, let's say that you need 1 in there versus 4 in there, are they pretty easy to switch in and out?
Oh yeah, they're super light. That's one other advantage that I love about them. Most people in the machining industry are used to the cast iron vices, and these are made out of an aluminum body with a stainless steel plate, and they're super light. I mean, you could hold one in one hand.
And like we've talked about before, rigidity is important to the harder materials that you machine here at Dan's Custom Machining. So even though they're light, they're still giving you the rigidity that you want.
Oh yeah, the rigidity's there. I mean, we've cut stainless steel at 318 inches a minute before, so it'll handle a beating, and it keeps your part held nice and tight. And then also with having step jaws, we buy the custom hard jaws from Chick, and it allows us to hold on only an 1/8 inch of material with no issues, and that's not having any serrations in the teeth. It's just a smooth 1/8 inch step.
And so have you tried utilizing the serrations?
We have used them. We actually use serrations from the guys at MMM. We put their stuff in the soft jaws from Chick.
Well, the soft jaws from Chick are, they're pretty famous. Being able to run a custom part, it's important not to just rely on flat surfaces all the time.
Yep.
Yeah, like I said, I've seen a lot of your videos, and I have seen the ones where you're milling the harder steels at 300 plus inches a minute. So kudos to you on being able to do that. It's very obvious that you know what you're doing here at Dan's Custom Machining, appropriately named after you. And we've talked a little bit about Daniel being the original name, but everyone calls you Dan now, and Dan's Custom Machine Shop is really growing. I think you mentioned 8,000 square feet at this time?
Yeah, we have the ability to expand up to 8,000 square feet as our total footprint of building space now between the 3.
Well, congratulations. It's well deserved. You are a genuinely good guy. Your wisdom and knowledge on the machines and the components that you make, I know, are top notch. So all the growth that you receive is well deserved. And I really appreciate you being here to talk to me about some of what you do with the Herco, with the Chick vices, and a lot of your other products as well.
Thank you. I appreciate it, Tony.